So, in a surprising revelation, unboxing videos featuring the much-anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra have made their debut on Twitter, showcasing the flagship device in striking titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow colors. These videos offer a genuine hands-on look at the device, highlighting a unique design decision where the titanium middle frame impeccably matches the color of its back. This deliberate design element not only contributes to a unified aesthetic but also adds a touch of premium sophistication, underscoring Samsung's unwavering dedication to both aesthetics and craftsmanship. A standout aspect showcased in the unboxing videos is the straight-screen design featured on the front of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This design choice not only lends the smartphone a sleek and contemporary appearance but also suggests a purposeful endeavor to maximize the display area, ensuring an immersive and visually captivating user experience. The attention to detail in this design aligns with Samsung's commitment to providing users with devices that seamlessly integrate cutting-edge technology with a visually stunning and ergonomic design. For Samsung enthusiasts and potential buyers, these unboxing videos have become a source of eager anticipation for the official release of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Beyond the colors and design, the videos offer a glimpse into the meticulous craftsmanship and technological innovation that have gone into creating this flagship device. The unveiling of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is poised to deliver an exciting user experience, marrying state-of-the-art features with an aesthetically pleasing and cohesive design language. As the countdown continues towards the official release, these unboxing videos serve as a precursor, setting the stage for consumers to explore the device's capabilities and unique design elements first. Samsung's dedication to delivering a seamless fusion of advanced technology and visual allure positions the Galaxy S24 Ultra as a formidable contender in the realm of flagship smartphones, promising users an exhilarating and satisfying mobile experience. So, as the date for Samsung's Galaxy S24 family unveiling event draws near on January 17th, the excitement is reaching a crescendo. In the final hours before the grand reveal, intriguing leaks have surfaced, with one significant revelation stemming from Samsung's Austrian arm. A leaked screenshot from the internal systems sheds light on a pre-order promotion expected not only in Austria but likely in various European or Western European countries. This promotion promises customers a complimentary storage upgrade when pre-ordering any model from the Galaxy S24 series. This promotional offer entails an impressive enhancement to the storage capacity at no extra cost. For instance, if a customer chooses the 128GB model, they will enjoy an automatic upgrade to the more capacious 256GB variant. The promotional cascading effect continues, ensuring that opting for the 256GB model grants access to the 512GB version. Similarly, this storage upgrade applies to the 1TB variant of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, it's worth noting that the 1TB option is restricted to a limited quantity of 2,000 units across all participating retailers in Austria, raising the possibility of similar constraints in other eligible countries. In tandem with the storage upgrade promotion, Samsung is offering an enticing trade-in deal for customers looking to part ways with their old smartphones or tablets. During the promotional period spanning January 17th to January 30th, individuals engaging in a trade-in will receive a guaranteed bonus of €100 on top of the assessed trade-in value. This offer serves as an additional incentive for users contemplating an upgrade, aligning their device transition with the launch of the Galaxy S24 series. Color options are also part of the exclusive offerings, with the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus presenting a distinct palette available exclusively online. These exclusive colors include jade green, sapphire blue, and sandstone orange. The S24 Ultra, the pinnacle of the series, features its own set of online exclusive hues, namely titanium green, titanium blue, and titanium orange. These exclusive color choices cater to online customers seeking a unique and distinctive aesthetic for their new Galaxy devices. As the anticipation builds with the approaching Galaxy S24 family unveiling event, these promotional details and color exclusivities contribute an additional layer of excitement for potential customers. Samsung's latest flagship lineup is poised to make a significant impact, and these exclusive offerings only serve to heighten the overall anticipation surrounding the imminent launch. The stage is set for a remarkable unveiling, promising innovation, enhanced features, and a touch of exclusivity for eager customers awaiting the Galaxy S24 series. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy S24 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.